Hey guys, it's me, Hannah.
Hey guys, it's me.
No, stop it. Hey guys, it's me, Hannah. And today I am trying to find a game, but I don't know what to play. I don't know what. Oh my god. Okay, I think I know just what to play. Wolf Life better. We usually play that game. Stop it. We usually always play that game. And yeah, so we're gonna play it. One day I might watch a different game, and if you're wondering who this is a visitor. Her name is Zoe, and she's still little, and I'm just waiting for this game to load. Sorry if I sound sore. It's just me now. Yeah. And I've grown. I am now 7 years old. Now I play as an adult, and I don't really play as a pup anymore. I am beautiful. Versus love.
Hello.
Oh, neck. No, not the neck. Hat. Now which wear lamp and paint bucket. And then let's go. Click on this. Stop cleaning. And boom. Beautiful. Almost all. I can turn red. Savage. I am savage.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I get itches now. Alright. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I've never played this game in a long time, and they had this? Oh yeah, and if you guys are wondering what the song is called, it is called Dango. It's a nice, fun song. It is just called Dango. Just Dango. Dark Protective. When should I pick? I think I like a Night Wolf. I'll pick you. I'll pick you.
What is he saying? What is he saying? What is he saying?
I'll pick you then.
I got bubble gum.
have the wings.
Oh.
Watch this short video.
Wow.
It's a fun approach at this technique.
Who did
Watch
you
Elsa
pick?
and Friends' new journey on the big screen.
I
By
picked this
getting two
dude.
participating YoPlay or Google products.
Can he follow you? Can he follow you? Can he follow you? Can he follow you?
Okay.
Oh, he can't follow you. He can't follow you.
He can follow me.
Why? Why he can't follow you? He follow you then. Oh, he is following you. He is following you. He is following you. Are she following you?
Yeah, he can follow.
Why? Ugh. I'm gonna get out of this chair. I will be right back. Can you move now? I'm back. She's following you for next. Andreas, what are you saying to her? He can't hurt you. If you fly, what he can do? Can he fly like you? Or
Yeah, he can fly.
he can fly? Let's see how he can.
Oh, you want fat.
Oh, he got wings like you. Did you pick that one with the wings? Stop.
Oh, you want fat.
Can he flap? And I don't know that.
No.
Why you're saying no for it? Someone get wet. Can you go a little backward? Can you go a little bit more back?
He wants to fight everybody.
Yeah. Seriously.
Stop it. This place isn't for not one.
My head.
This place isn't for not one team.
I need to get out.
Okay.
How can I get out? Look at me. Look at it. This is the Pikachu version of Dango. Look.
Okay. You're gonna ruin the video. I'm not.
Hannah, you're not even talking to the people.
No, I am not getting out.
Hey, you're not talking there.
Stop it. This guy is not. Alright, fine. Fine.
Oh, baby Pikachu.
I'll come back though. Fine, I'll come back though. We'll fight. I will fight if I want to fight. I have an element. I will fight. I meant have. No. No! I'm a rock element. I will come back. I will come back.
And this is the English version of Dango.
Oh, so she can fly! She can fly!